Spelling Week 14 is tricky letter sounds and non-sound. First word is straight. This line is straight. This is a squiggly line. It's not straight. Straight. Number 2, the girl is screaming. The word is scream. Just to talk out loud. Just like this, if you're talking out loud, that's speaking out loud, you're shouting, but scream is more like, ah! This thing coming out when you boil water, that is steam. Steam. This person is knocking on the door. The word is knock. Knock. You use this to cut food, fruit, whatever. This is a knife. And this part of your hand, here, 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 is your knuckle. Knuckle. This is a knot. You tie a knot. When the rope is straight, there's no knot. When you tie it, there's a knot. You use this to sew. This is a thread. Thread. This thing right here. This is a thread. And this lady, she's got a scratch on her head. Maybe her cat scratched her. Scratch. Here's the scratch. Usually it's not a deep cut. This animal, many people's favorite, is a dolphin. Dolphin. Spelling test is next Wednesday, September 9th.